porcelain straw can with lid upside down underneath the garage roof to catch rain. Holes are poked into the lid. Inside there we have a mini solar pump, tubing, and power cord. That comes out to where you can attach your solar whenever you want. Just the minute it is attached, it is working the pump, which the hose is fed right here. So this little bitty, teeny size of a golf ball, little bitty pump with a solar panel will be now what I fill the pond up, so I have good, clean, chlorine-free water for my fishy. They'll be happy.